Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to You Know What Time Is It? It's Eureka time. So, today we are doing lesson 22. And our objective for today says I can look for, analyze, and solve problems with common add-ins on the addition chart. All this is saying is that we're going to be able to look for patterns and solve basic math facts with common parts on our addition chart. So we're going to learn to use an addition chart today. Next is our key points. What do we need to know in order to be successful? Well, what an expression is, right? And 2 plus 2 is an expression because it has no equals and no total. Addition is another word for plus, so I put a plus symbol. Addend is our new math vocabulary word, and this just means that it's another word for part. So that's why I put this here, because in an equation, 2 is an addend, and this other part is also an addend. That's what we call numbers that we add together in an equation. And then we also have number sentence, or also called an equation, which is the same thing except it has an equals and a total. That's why it's different than an expression. So, but we should be more familiar with this term already. How are we going to do it? Well, we're going to identify the add-in pattern going down the row. We're going to identify the parts, right? The pattern of the parts going down the row in the addition chart. And then we're also going to identify the pattern, the add-in pattern going across the addition chart so that we can figure out what's the next number or what's the next missing number. Are you ready? Let's start. So today, this is our addition chart. Mathematicians, today you need to especially put on your noticing ears and eyes. So make sure that we're listening. First, you're going to read the expressions out loud with me. So we're going to go ahead and read the expressions. I'm going to cover up some of our addition chart, and you're going to read the expressions out loud with me. Ready? 1 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 4 plus 0, 5 plus 0, 6 plus 0, 7 plus 0, 8 plus 0, 9 plus 0, 10 plus 0. What did you notice was the same as we read each of these expressions? Go ahead and tell me. What did you notice was the same? Yes, that we said plus 0 every time. So that's remember your thinking caps, that's already a pattern going down the addition chart. Plus 0. And now, what did you notice was different as you read each of these expressions? Get ready. Yeah, right? That the first number went by 1 each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. So now let's solve each problem together. Ready? Help me out. What's 1 plus 0? Get ready. 1. 2 plus 0. Get ready. 2. 3 plus 0. Get ready. 3. 4 plus 0. Get ready. 4. 5 plus 0. Get ready. 5. 6 plus 0. Get ready. 6. 7 plus 0. Get ready. 7. 8 plus 0. Get ready. 8. 9 plus 0. Get ready. 9. 10 plus 0. Get ready. 10. Awesome job. Now, let's read all these expressions out loud. Read them with me. Get ready. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1. What did you notice was the same as we read each of these expressions? I want to hear you. Yes, right? That now we said plus 1 every time. So that's another add-in pattern where we already just noticed, right? That we said plus 1 every time. What did you notice was different as you read each of these expressions? Tell me. That the first number still went up by 1 each time, right? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Now let's solve each problem together. Starting from the top, 1 plus 1. Get ready. 2. 2 plus 1. Get ready. 3. 3 plus 1. Get ready. 4. 4 plus 1. Get ready. 5. 6 plus 1. Get ready. I'm sorry. 5 plus 1. Get ready. 6. 6 plus 1. Get ready. 7. 7 plus 1. Get ready. 8. 9. 8 plus 1. Get ready. 9. 9 plus 1. Get ready. 10. Awesome job. Now, look at these. Look at this right here. Let me circle them so that you can see what I'm talking about. So look at this and look at this part right here. Look at those two facts. You said that all of these problems add 0 each time. How does adding 0 change the first addend or part? How does adding 0 change the first addend? Well, let's look at it. Does it really change the first addend if we add 0 to a number? Like here, 1 plus 0 is still 1. 2 plus 0 is still 2. So how does adding 0 change the addend? The first addend doesn't change, right? Because we're just adding 0. So if we're adding 0, we're not adding anything to the first addend at all. So you see how the first part stays the same and it does not change. So is this true for all the facts going down this row right here? Is this true for all the facts going down the row? Yes, right? Because all down this row, we just added 0. So the first part, or addend, does not change. Now look at the next one. I'm going to circle 2 more. Look at the bottom ones. How does adding 1 change the first addend? How does adding 1 change this first addend? Think about it. Do you have an answer? Come on, tell me. Yeah, it does change it because our total goes up by how many? 1, right? Because we just added 1 more. So our total goes up by 1 because we're adding on. It's just the next number. Like here, 8 plus 1 equals 9. which is the next number after 8. And then 9 plus 1 equals 10, which is the next number after 9. Awesome job. Ready? Next column, read the expressions aloud with me, starting from the top. Get ready. 1 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 8 plus 2. Awesome. What did you notice was the same as we read each expression? Let me know. Yes, right? We're getting so good at this that we said plus 2 every time. So that we were adding 2 all down the row. Awesome. And what did you notice was different as you read each of these expressions? Yeah, that the first addend was the one that changes, right? We counted by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just like the other times. Good. Now let's solve each problem together. Ready? 1 plus 2. Get ready. 3. 2 plus 2. Get ready. 4. 3 plus 2. Get ready. 5. 4 plus 2. Get ready. 6. 5 plus 2. Get ready. 7. 6 plus 2. Get ready. 8. 7 plus 2. Get ready. 9. 8 plus 2. Get ready. 10. Yes. So, after we see our totals, let's go ahead and focus on 2 more problems again. Let's look at the bottom 2. So you said that each of these problems we added 2 each time, right? So how does adding 2 change the first part? How does adding 2 to each number change the first adding? I can't hear you. Yes, right? That every time we add 2, that the total goes up by 2 because we're adding on. So 7 plus 2 more is 9. 8 plus 2 more is 10. So the total is just going up by 2. So now let's notice our other pattern. Do you see the pattern in our totals? Look at our totals. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. That they're all in order, and they're all in order going down and going across. We also notice that in our addition chart that every row going down adds the same addend. Like here, we just added 0 every time. The next column, we added 1 every time. The next column, we added 2 every time. We also learned, remember, these are important things because these are things we needed to do in our objective in order to be successful. We also learned that our first addend goes up by 1, right? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our first addend is the one that goes up by 1. Our second addend is the one that does not change and remains the same all down the row, if you can notice that. So this was your first introduction to our addition chart, and I hope you enjoyed learning and noticing all these different patterns in this chart. Next, you're going to open your book to 151, and it should look like this. Again, page 151, 151. Go ahead and press pause in the video and press play when you found page 151. By now, you should have already found your page. What we're going to do now is write your heading. Remember, it's very important. Idea 56 and 57. So you go ahead and write your name. I will write mine. Today's date, September 16, 2020, and our goal. I'm going to write it down here right now. We'll show our goal. 90% or higher on end of module. Let me raise it up so you can see my goal. That's my goal down there. Our must-do problems for today is all of it. So since we only have one problem set page today, we're going to work out all of it during the live session. So one thing I'm just going to ask you to be prepared with is go ahead and bring your colors with you, because we're going to need red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Again, I'm going to repeat the colors that you will need. You will need red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Don't forget your colors when you're coming to the live session. I can't wait to see you. Bye.